Good morning, student. As you know that I had sent you some exercise. I hope that you have been solved that exercise. Now, how I solve that exercise, you follow me. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Fractions having same denominator are called. Fractions having same denominator are called like fraction. Like fraction. You know that, for example, like fraction 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2 means same denominator. The fractions having same denominator are called like fraction. Okay. Second, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 9 are dot fractions. Means what fractions name of these? I see that same numerator. These fractions are same numerator. 1, 1, 1. So we call to them unit fraction. Unit fraction. Unit fractions. See, a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay, a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. Example, 2 times 1 upon 2, 5 times 3 upon 7. Here is some mixed fractions. Example, 2 times 1 upon 2, 5 times 3 upon 7. 2 is whole number and 1 upon 2 is a proper fraction. 5 is whole number and 3 upon 7 is proper fraction. Okay, just take question number D. 3 upon 4, 6 upon 8, 9 upon 12, 34 upon 45 are called what fraction? I see the numerator of these fractions is less than of denominator. 3 is less than of 4, 6 is less than of 8, 9 is less than of 12, 34 is less than of 55. Means all these fractions numerator is less than denominator, so we call to them proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fractions means numerator is less than of denominator. 6 less than of 8, 9 less than of 12, 34 less than of 45. Okay. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. 5 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon बॉक्स मीन्स फिलअप करना है यहाँ. सेकंड 10 upon 24 is equal to 5 C 15 upon 45 is equal to blank upon 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ब्लैंक्स को फिलअप करना है. ए 5/15 इक्वल टू 1 बॉक्स। बॉक्स में से यहाँ फिलअप आपको करना है 5/15। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए 5/15. We solve to them simplest form or called lowest term. We solve to them 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. We convert into lowest term, the simplest form, smallest group, छोटे छोटे फ्रैक्शन से कन्वर्ट करना है। 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Here is 1, numerator is 1 and denominator we find 3. So we fill up in 3. Same as question number B, 10/24. Here is 5 and denominator fill up करना है। We subtracted to them 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Divided by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Numerator is 5 and denominator we find to 12. Same as question number C, 15/45. Here denominator is 9. We find out numerator. We divided to them by 5. 5 3 ja 15, 5 9 ja 45, 5 3 ja 15, 5 9 ja 45. Denominator is 9 and we find out numerator is 3. Okay, just question number 3. Question number 3. Write 3 equivalent fractions of each of the following. Of the following. First, 6/18. 6/18. B 3/15. C 7/8. D 1/25. Question number 3. Write 3 equivalent fractions of each of the following. First, 6/18. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. We multiply same number of numerator and denominator. मीन्स इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। we multiply by 2. We multiply by 2 numerator and denominator. 6 2 ja 12, 18 2 ja 36. First equivalent fraction is 12/36. We again multiply by 3. Numerator and denominator. You care that the number whose multiply by fractions is same, मीन्स सेम नंबर से आपको न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 6 3 जा 18, 18 3 जा 54. Second equivalent fraction is 18 upon 54. Third, we first multiply by 2 and second time we multiply by 3. Third time we multiply by 4. 6 4 ja 24, 18 5 ja 90. Here is 3 equivalent fraction. First 12 upon 36, second 18 upon 54 and third 24 upon 90. Question number B, 3 upon 50. Same as question number A. We solve question number B. We multiply by same number numerator and denominator. We multiply by 2. 3 2 ja 6, 15 2 ja 30. We again multiply by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 15 3 ja 45. 2 3 again multiply by 4. 3 4 ja 12, 15 4 ja 60. There is 3 equivalent fraction is 6 upon 30, 9 upon 45, 12 upon 60. Question number C. Multiply by 2 numerator and denominator. 7 2 ja 14 upon 8 2 ja 60. We multiply by 3 numerator and denominator. 7 3 ja 21, 8 3 ja 24. We multiply 2 and 3. Now we multiply by 4. 7 upon 8 multiply by 4 numerator and denominator. 7 4 ja 28, 8 4 ja 32. First fraction is 14 upon 16. Second is 21 upon 24. Third is 28 upon 32. Last question, 1 upon 25. We multiply by 2. 1 2 ja 2, 25 2 ja 50. First equivalent fraction. Second is 1 upon 25 multiply by 3. We multiply by first 2, second 3. 3 1 ja 3, 25 3 ja 75. Third, we multiply by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 25 4 ja 100. Okay. First is 2 upon 50. Second 3 upon 75. Third is 4 upon 100. Let us see question number 4. Question number 4. Fill in the box. fill in the boxes using small or greater to make correct statement. A 11/30 14/11. B 15/19 1/16. C 15/16 process 11/16. D 12/13 मतलब 17/12. Question number 4. Fill in the boxes using small or greater to make correct statement. First, 11/13, 14/11. Here is proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. First fraction numerator is 13 and second is 11. Not same. Denominator is unlike fraction. These fractions are unlike, so we cannot comparison of numerator. If these fractions are like, so we comparison numerator small or greater, but here is unlike fraction, so we solve to them by cross multiply. Means we convert into like fraction. Unlike fractions change into like fraction. We multiply each other by cross multiply. 11 into 11 into 11 and 14 into 13. 11 into 11 is equal to 121. 14 into 13 is, we multiply this. 14 into 30, 3 4 are 12, 3 1 are 3, 4, 1 4 are 4, 1 1 are 1, 2, 4 4, 8, 1. 3 4 are 12, 1 carry, 3 1 are 3, 1 carry 8 kiya 4, 1 4 are 4, 1 1 are 1. Here is 182. We see that 121 is less than from 182, means 182 is greater from 121. So 14/11 is greater than 11/13. Same as question number B. We multiply by each other. 15/60 and 19 into 1. 19 into 1 is equal to 19. 15 into 16 multiply 6 5 are 30, carry up 3, 6 1 are 3, carry 3 add 9, 1 5 are 5, 1 1 are 1, 0 9 5 14, 1 carry add up 2, 240. 240 is greater of 19. 214 is greater of 19. So we call to them 15 upon 19 is greater than 1 upon 16. 15 upon 19 is greater than 1 upon 16. Same as question number 3 we solve. But here is same denominator. Question number first is different denominator. Unlike fraction, we convert into like fraction. We convert into like fraction. So we declare who is greater or small. But here is like fraction. Means denominator is 16. Same denominator. So we comparison these numerators. Who is greater or small. We see 15 is greater of 11. 15 is greater than 11. So we call them 15 upon 16 is greater than 11 upon 16. Okay. Question number D. Here is different denominator 13 and 12. These fractions are unlike fraction. So we convert into like fraction. We multiply by 12 into 12. Means cross multiply. 12 into 12 and 13 upon 17. Y multiply by 12 into 12 and 13 into 17. We change into like fraction.